Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to look at Recorder app and click on it. Now tap on this red button to start recording. Firstly, you need to select Allow and while using the app in the pop-ups. And now when I click on the red button, as you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on this right button over here. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one. If you wish to end it and save it, tap on the red button one more time. Now when you hold it, you can select rename and name your recording however you wish to. Now save it by tapping on OK. If you wish to delete it though, you can hold it one more time, but this time select delete in the middle and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!